Simon, it's always fascinating to visit you here at WFL. I mean, EMO 2019, but what wonderful products you have here from WFL, but so much more. There's automation, you've got a new control panel. Tell me how that sort of affects the UK market and your customers.
Mark, good morning and welcome to EMO 2019. Here we've got 3 machines on the stand and we're displaying the new iControl. We've also got the fully integrated intelligent boring bar system. We've got lots of software products that we can integrate into the system. We're fully ready for Industry 4. So we've got all of the smart technologies which are bringing all of the technologies together under one football.
And to be fair, you know, you're not selling machines in the UK or worldwide from WFL, more from just a standard product. You're talking about customers, you're talking about partnerships, aren't you, at the end of the day? And that's where you're learning from what they may need. And I presume a lot of the products you're seeing here at EMO is driven by the customer?
Yes, we very much work in partnership with our customers. We don't really sell a machine on its own. We're always providing a manufacturing solution to the customer, whether that involves the machine and tooling. But today, even more than ever before, it includes all of the interlinking technologies that enable us to record what's going on, to give us real feedback as to how the machine and the tools are performing in the materials that we're machining, which gives the customer a really good overall feedback as to how the processes are operating and where there's room for improvement in the future.
And when you specifically look at the UK, I know you've been working with a well-known aerospace manufacturer, let's say in Sheffield. Now you've had a lot of success, but tell me about the markets in general in the UK for Kyal Machine Tools.
Well, we're very heavily orientated around the aerospace market, and fortunately we've been fairly successful in that area. Also, we've always been very heavily involved in the oil and gas industry, and I'm delighted to say that after several years of the oil and gas industry being fairly quiet, they seem to be reviving, and there's some very interesting projects that we're working on now in the oil and gas industry, and we're optimistic that these are going to prove successful in the imminent future.
And looking at some of the new products here at EMO 2019, I presume that gives you a little bit more ammunition in reference to selling products from WFL in the UK?
Yes, because it enables us to bring out the complete solution. So we've got the iControl over here on the M50 with its larger screen, all of the integrated technologies. We've got intelligent tools which are now linked to the iControl, so we can detect vibrations, adjust feeds and speeds automatically in cycle, so that we are producing good results, whereas previously vibrations might cause bad finishes and then we'd have to do a second cut. But now with the tools being able to monitor themselves and adjust the feed rates and speeds by themselves in the machine, that's giving us some huge benefits.
And lastly, we got MAC 2020 coming up. What will visitors expect? What will they see at Kyal Machines Tools?
Well, we'll be showing some of our latest products. We'll obviously be showing the latest WFL technologies at MAC, which we're looking forward to, and I'm sure that we'll be bringing to the UK market some interesting ideas and solutions that are going to benefit the production of our users.